this one, and 1 piece for this. Yeah, and the other things now you will receive. We give you the 1 box for free is for this one, the laser catheter. I think the disposable. Yeah, this one, because 1 box is 50 pieces, and this one, and we also give you the set is this one. This is needle. Yeah, intravenous needle. Yeah. Because we call this is for the A set. We also have the B set. B set is for this one. B set is because everything have this one. But B set is this one. Maybe you have saw before. This is 1 needle.
Yes.
1 needle is one can use the drip and one use the laser catheter together.
Same time.
Yeah. And this is for the patch. I told you.
Oh yes. Okay.
Yeah, this is for the patch.
Yes.
The patch only can use this one.
Okay.
Yeah, this is for the patch. Okay. And this is, I told you, is for butterfly.
Butterfly. Yes.
Yeah, this is butterfly. So they have 3 kinds needle. But normally we use this one, these 2. It's A set and B set. Yeah. Pen or knee pen, and you can just put here. But I think because this page also from German, but I think because of the different skin type, so normally I will use the tape to fix. Otherwise it's very easy because the angle is different. Yes. So normally we will use the tape to fix. And you can set up the infrared and blue together and plus the stuff so together. You get a machine and you will have this plate, and this is old one, so this is whole big. But you get a new one, is just a 2 piece. So you just use the screw to lock up, and you put all the laser tube on this hole, and now you already receive 6 lights. And each light, they will mark which light. For example, like this is yellow, green, infrared, and this is red, blue, and UV. Yeah, so you can just customize which pole you want to put. And for example, if for you easy to recognize which kind of lights, maybe you can find some sticker, for example, like a purple sticker, you can know this is UV. And this is blue, something like this. Each wire you have to insert the different hole. But different hole you can see before that they already have an infrared, green, blue, and red, but don't have yellow and UV because yellow and UV light is new one. So maybe you can just choose which pole you want to insert and remember which light for each. Yeah. So you will have 6 lights, and the other 6 pole is for reserve. If you after that you want to buy more infrared or red light or every kind, you can insert. So this is have 12, and this one have 2 kinds. One is a white one, and this is orange one. Orange one is for the intravenous. And for example, like we told you, for the anti-aging, 10 minutes. For example, like this, you have to, later we will show you, you insert this one and pull the needle and insert the laser tube, and this can screw together, and you already put the inpatient hand. After the 10 minutes, you just change this one. Not change the patient. So patient don't need to insert again. For each pack you have 5 orange, So you can, the two person, one person sit there and one person sit here, and they can change. Yeah, so just only need to change this one. Yeah, so normally you can do together one couple or something like this. Yeah, it's very easy. So it's very easy, you just change this one. Yeah. So when you finish, you can put this one like this. Have a safety power like this. They have this key, so you can turn on. Yeah, but normally we don't use this one. Yeah, this is for the safety, for double check. Yeah. So the other different, you can see the three lights, the UV, blue, and yellow. They have this one. They have their individual power. So when you use this one, you have to turn on. But the others, like red or don't need. But this one also they have their individual.
It depends power.
Yeah, because it depends on their power and their wavelength different and their design. So that's why these three lights they have their own power open. Yeah.
Yes. So now I have a new person come in. Do
Yeah.
I have to clean that or?
This one don't need because
What about this side?
no, this side you only need to use the alcohol because this one already connect just a touch here. Now we use the blue one. Blue one is this one. You can see the blue. So you just press this one, and you have to check the set. Normally, we use, because you can see the blue one is in here. So we use the 50% because now we use intravenous. Normally, maybe you can, the first time we will use the 50% because everyone need to use to. Because before that, if they don't try before, you have to lower energy at first. No, so normally with power we will set up the 50%. And okay, and the time normally we will use the 10, for example like this, 10. And you know why is power have a 3 square? Because you see the back, they have a, yeah, so they can choose the different, the power for each square, the power, because you have a 4 power for each square. So you have to remember which light you put which square. You know, so before that, infrared, red, and green and blue in this square, and they put the yellow and UV in this square. Yeah, so if you want to change the setup for the yellow or UV light, you have to use the second one. You have to use the second one. Okay. You know, we told you because blue they have their individual light, so you can open, check, okay, and start. You can see. Okay, so now they already calculate. So after the 9 minutes finish, you will hear the sound is B is finished. So you can change the other light. Yeah, so very easy. So why I said it came together, this means light here. Because this one already do the infrared, right? So if you want to do together, now already intravenous, and this need to patch, and you push the blue and infrared, they can together. So you can just make a start. And this one also have a red. It's very early. Yeah, very little because the infrared cannot see. You can use the blue. For example, like this. So that's why even you use the other orange one, maybe you can use the green. They can all together. So it's very convenient. Not just only one. So don't need to wait. So maybe the other one do the green and the other one do the blue, and the patch you can do infrared together. Yeah, it's very good.